guys, so for today's video, tanawan na to kung pilay naka-survive sa atong gitanom last month. So kung walay na buhi adto, no choice ta kundi magtanom tagbalik. So I hope nga nabuhi to tanan. So let's go.
I'll meet you by the tree of broken glass, where the hope that anything could last. So let's go.
Atong buwan guys, papaya guys.
So let's go and take the words that we know and toss them in the sea of thoughtful dreams. But if you listen, you can still hear them calling out our names, calling out our names.
Sa to see guys, maoras na usara to yung nabuhi sa atong gitanom last month. So ang uban, usara bang uban ha? So dara usa guys.
Come, daddy.
So wala naka-survive guys. So maybe it is because of kanang sa weather condition na to karon. Perting inita kayo.
Sugaw ka dong.
No, dara guys, patay to siya guys. So wasn't maka-survive. So ato ning pulihan nun niya tataod. So sabi wala ka-survive. Mali atong steps tali pagka kuan na to, pagtanom. Ay wala ka-survive. So ang uksa. So wala sad guys. Patay pod, patay. Patay ako sa iyo. Wala. So no choice ta guys. So we need to replant or tanom tagbalik. So una, ngita sa tag kanang seedlings.
Listen, dear, for the way to go as it comes near, we'll be okay. Oh, we'll be okay.
So nata karon sa atong mini farm. So let's go.
This world is in our hands, so get up and grab your walking stick. My love is what I promised you. You know that is true. That is where I'll stand. Though we might fade and fall, we'll keep on standing tall. This world is in our hands, so get up and grab your walking stick. These mountains have no trail, but we are tough as nails. Come on, this is our land, so get up and grab your walking stick. You hold on to the truth inside, let it guide your step and be a light. You'll be okay.
So the purpose ani gibutangan na to ni giingani is para kuan dili siya ma-protect siya sa mga manok kay kakaon na siya guys, kakaon.